Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a user and a database for that user to use. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you guys the steps which you can use through the MySQL databases, which is included in cPanel. However, you most likely can create your own using the root user and root permissions. However, I'm not very familiar with that, and that can cause a lot of problems with your server. So if you want to create a database, MySQL is the way to go for this process. Now, what you need to do is, of course, log into cPanel. Then you're going to need to click on MySQL databases and then click create new database. Going to click that and then enter a name, and then click create database again, and then your database will have been created, and it's as simple as that. Now, to create a user which can use that database, just go to MySQL databases and then go to MySQL users, enter the username and password for MySQL and click create user. That should then be it. Now, once you've created a user, you need to link it to the database. Just go again to MySQL databases, go down to add user to database, then select your new user and the new database and click add. Then put a check next to all privileges, or just select individual privileges if you don't want them to have everything, and then click make changes. All privileges should be reserved for just one admin account or the main person or the main user behind that database. Everybody else should not have all the privileges, just so that, well, there is no risks of somebody messing up your database. Then you can manage the user privileges. Just go to MySQL, go down to current databases, find the database that you want to modify, then go into privileged users, click the name of the user you'd like to modify. You can put a check next to all privileges or select individual ones, and then click make changes. And that should be pretty much it. And it's as simple as that, really. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.